As the January chill wraps around the UK, there's nothing quite like a bowl of steaming hot homemade soup to give you that culinary cuddle. With 40 grams of protein per serving, this chicken and wild rice soup is not only delicious, but is a protein-packed powerhouse as well. It's a straightforward, no-fuss kind of dish that's packed with chunks of chicken, a hearty wild rice mix, and plenty of veggies. It's easy, it's healthy, it's ready in 40 minutes flat, just what you need for a tasty midweek meal. This is how you cook it. So as with most of my recipes, you can be pretty flexible with what veggies you pop in this soup. The ones that I'm using are carrot, onion and celery. Pretty much a traditional base for lots of soups and stews, and pretty much essential in most Italian cooking. So you're going to chop up an onion, a carrot, and some celery as small as you can get it. You could use courgette, you could add aubergine, it's up to you. Along with 120 grams of fresh mushrooms, make sure you've washed them and then slice them. Then for frying this, we're going to use 30 grams of butter instead of olive oil, and you're going to add those onions and some chicken breast to it, and make sure you season that chicken with plenty of black pepper. Then you want to fry that until the onions start to soften and the chicken starts to get some nice colour on the outside. You obviously don't need to cook the chicken all the way through at this stage because that will happen when we add the liquid for the soup. And then you're going to add in those mushrooms and the celery and the carrots before adding in 800 mils of chicken stock. If you want to have this a bit thicker or if you want to make it go further, use more or less, totally up to you. And that is it. Then you just need to pop the lid on it and simmer it for about 30 minutes. And at this point, if you could just hit that like button, it would really help me out with the growth of this channel. Nothing to do with ego, it just means if there's more likes, more people will likely to see this video. After the simmering is complete, you just need to add in some cooked wild rice or cooked basmati rice. I don't cook the rice in the soup because I find that the starch can come out, it can be a bit yucky. So I use cooked rice and you just need to stir it through the end to allow it to heat up and garnish with some green. So there we go, that is chicken and wild rice soup. I hope you enjoy this recipe if you make it. And it'd be great if you could drop a comment below and let me know what your favourite soup recipe is, because I'm always on the lookout to cook new soup recipes, especially at this time of year. So drop a comment below, let me know what your favourite soup recipe is, and I'll see if I can make it on the channel. So, thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll see you back here again soon. See ya!